Move over CommBank, move over NAB. Today we're going to be talking about one of Australia's highest rated banking app that's actually geared towards millennials. So be sure to gently blow up that like button, and we know your time is valuable so you can watch this video faster. Let's get into it. Nathan here, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about one of Australia's best rated banks, WESTPAC. We're also going to be talking about the features and how it's structured to help you save and spend in a smarter way, and why I personally use them from this point on. WESTPAC is a joint collaboration between the Adelaide Bank and Bendigo Bank, and it's actually backed by the government, so you can rest assured that your money is going to be safe. And I've got to say that it's a breath of fresh air compared to the big four banks due to the instant signups and the easy banking system that WESTPAC provides. Now keep in mind that I've only been using this app for the last 1 to 2 months, so I'd like to look at it in terms of a fresh perspective and how I've been using it so far. It's a simple sign up process. You can sign up directly in the app itself, and you only need one piece of verification, which you could use a driver's license, and you definitely don't need to go into any bank branch or be waiting on the phones for very long. WESTPAC is simply up in the cloud. Nah, just kidding. But the process is actually really simple. You can also make a little bit of extra side cash if you haven't signed up for an WESTPAC account, and just by using the referral link in the description below, or even the referral code, which I'll leave up right here, you can actually sign up and get an extra $5 to your account straight away. Number 2 is that there's real humans answering your questions. This generally isn't for everyone, but for myself, I know when I have a problem and I know that the questions I need to answer it. So I don't want to be waiting on the phone for that long. Where the benefits of Up is that you can enter their live chat where an actual human, someone waiting on the other end of that computer, is waiting to answer your exact question, and they usually answer it within minutes. Number 3 is that there's no monthly fees, and you will also find that there's no international fees as well. When it comes with the big four banks such as Commonwealth, NAB or WESTPAC, you'll find that they come with a lot of hidden fees. I know from personal experience that my WESTPAC account required me to put in $2,000 at least every single month, just so I don't have to pay a $5 nagging fee. Now, the thought of staying loyal to a bank only to get whipped by all these little fees really leaves a salty taste in my mouth. And I know, all the boomers on the internet are going to be typing, "You're so childish. I've been with the XYZ bank and I'm one of their most loyal customers." And I got news for you, it ain't really doing you any good. And the 4th and last is Gamified Savings. Now with WESTPAC, you actually have the opportunity to split your one single savings account into a multitude of little buckets popularized by our favorite financial farmer, Scott Pape. This essentially gamifies the achievement that you get from filling up your savings account with all these little sparklers and fireworks and graphics that actually make you feel great and give you a little bit of a dopamine hit when you're feeling down. So just imagine the dopamine hit that you get when you have your own cheering squad cheering for you as you're walking down the end of that finish line. And now, just to cap this off, I wanted to add in a little bonus one, which is their attention to detail. I've been blown away by the attention to detail that WESTPAC really brings, whether it's their app or just simply them sending letters or emails to you personally. Now, I've even got one of their letters here, which actually has my card in it. And as you can see, the letter itself is already a different shape, which is already different from the big four banks. Now, that's a very small thing, but you can even see the logo there. So I'm just gonna open it up here, and straight away, you can see that the actual packaging itself is so much nicer. They even come with some stickers here. Yeah, WESTPAC. And pretty much this is the card itself. So the card is actually completely different to any other card that you can receive from Commonwealth or from NAB, and the color just really gives it an eccentric feel. So I'm definitely loving it from that fact. And you also have a little bonus where you can actually then play a little bingo card. So that's really cool there. And you don't really see this kind of stuff with any other bank. WESTPAC just really separates themselves purely from this point alone. Now, if I were to say something that I've noticed as well, the only thing that I would say bad about them is the fact that you can't actually have multiple cards. You are restricted to only one everyday card, but that's not really that big of a deal. But at the same time, if you're someone that's used to being able to speak to someone face to face in a branch, you may feel that you want to stick towards your more traditional banking as opposed to WESTPAC or any other types of neo-banking. But if you have used WESTPAC, how'd you find them? Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know how you found them and what you think of them currently, and I'll be sure to comment back to that one there. And that takes us to the end there, so make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel where I'm posting weekly, and hit the notification bell to know exactly when that is. Also, if you're not tired of hearing my voice just yet, I've also got 2 other videos here in terms of personal finance and investing where you can take a look at. I'll see you in the next video.